सो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट की हालत क्या थी। इट वाज स्मोक्ड एवरीवेयर, और बिकॉज ड्यू टू विच जो हमारी फ़्लाइट दिल्ली से आने वाली थी वो लैंड नहीं हो पाई थी और हमें वापस जाना पड़ा था। और फिर यहाँ पे हम बस यही इंतज़ार कर रहे थे कि शायद कुछ वे आउट निकले, बट कुछ भी नहीं निकल रहा था। एंड देन हमें बार बार जो वहाँ के ग्राउंड स्टाफ थे दे थ्रेटनिंग कि आप यहाँ पे ऐसे एयरपोर्ट खाली कर दो, ये लोग कभी भी आ सकते हैं। बट हम जाए तो जाए कहाँ, क्योंकि बाहर की हालत बहुत ख़राब थी, कुछ भी चीज़ें इन कंट्रोल नहीं था और वी वेर जस्ट हेल्पलेस। फिर यहाँ पे हमने मेरी एक फ्रेंड ने किया, उसके थ्रू हमने न्यूज़ 9 पे पहला लाइव किया था, जो कि आपको इस वीडियो में देखने को मिलेगा। बहुत बुरे हाल है, मतलब हमने फूड स्टॉक भी करा हुआ है बट यहाँ पे खाने को कुछ भी नहीं है। Air India, please come this way. Can we come?
Can you talk to some people? Can you help us understand the ground situation at Tribhuvan International Airport?
See, I'm speaking from Tribhuvan International Airport itself. All the flights have been cancelled. We reached airport around 10 o'clock in the morning, and we had our flight scheduled at 1:15, 2 o'clock, and they were just being delayed, and therefore suddenly we've just been told that the airport has been shut till 1 o'clock in the midnight, and there's no clarification being given. There are other airlines which are actually, they have not cancelled their flights, but Air India and Indigo have absolutely cancelled. In addition to that, we are not even told where are we supposed to go, whether there are any accommodations for us, because the streets, as you've already shown live, that they're being burnt. So almost 300, 400 Indians are straddled here, children, women, old people, but there's no clarity, neither from the airport authorities nor from the government. We've also tried to reach out the embassy, but the embassy is also not giving any clarifications, although one official from the embassy, without disclosing his name, said that you must stay at the airport till 6 o'clock and then we'll get back to you. But I don't know who that officer was and what instructions we've got.
Because do you think you're safe right there at the airport? So many people behind you as well.
That's the problem. I'll tell you. I get the question. That is the problem. The problem is that I told them very categorically that because see, my immigration is done. My ticket says departed. Now I'm at the international airport. The Air India crew staff, they come back and they tell us to leave the airport, which we are not willing to, because this is the safest spot we can think of. Agreed. We are right now.
And they also said that you are not leaving.
In fact, in addition to that, when I told the Air India staff that we are not going to leave, then they are saying that right now we are telling you politely, but if you don't leave, then forces might be deployed. Then don't blame us. This is how we're being treated. That's the problem.
And what about the airport security? No, please go ahead.
The airport security is outside because, as I told you, we've already crossed immigration.
Right.
We are at the gates. I'll just show you the situation. Just give
Yes,
me a
please,
moment.
please. Show
I will
it to the
try-
viewers.
I will just try to turn around the camera and then I'll show you where we are standing. See, you can see in front of me, these are the gates of the international airport and
Right.
they are all shut. But you see that people are stranded here and all these people have already crossed immigration. So they were here, they were brought here in the hope that they will board their flights.
Right.
But suddenly announcements have been that the airport is closed till 1 o'clock and the airlines, the respective airlines, they're asking us to walk out of the airport. That's the difficulty. There's
That's
no
the situation
clarification. There's
right
no
here.
further
Vikas,
clarification.
many thanks first and foremost. You're doing a brave thing, telling the viewers here back at home what's really happening. Can you let in more people?
There are other people who want
Yeah,
to say
absolutely,
things. Can
absolutely.
you just-
Let's bring in more voices.
My name is Pankaj. My name is Pankaj Gupta. And I would like to say one more thing. When we got told that our flight has been cancelled, the staff, within half an hour, they flew away. They left us. They left us. Where are the protocols that they need to follow in this sort of emergency? There's no answer. They just want us to
And
collect the package.
they put one line, just vacate
Where
the
is it?
airport.
There
go
are
outside.
multiple problems. See, there are multiple problems. There are people who've come to Nepal to travel. They are in groups. They might be from different airlines. But suddenly, if you've cancelled the airlines, and let's say if
Right.
you're sending to accommodation, although that's not being discussed, but if you're sending to accommodation, then whether they'll be sent to the same hotels, what about the rescheduling, whether we can come back tomorrow or not, there's no clarity whatsoever. And the worst part is that we've not been given any clear picture of what the situation is.
What about the helpline numbers that have been put across by the embassy? Have you tried to get in touch with those helpline numbers?
We're trying to call them. We're trying to call them, but I'm sure that they're.
Nothing is working out for us. Nothing is working
Thing
out.
is that the ground staff, they're making their own calls on our safety.
Okay.
They just want us to.
So protocols have gone
airport.
outside the window. Protocols have gone outside the window.
I have only one
Can you let
request.
Vikas?
I
Vikas,
have-
how about you let the madam speak? Yes, madam. Please tell us what's your ordeal right now.
Yeah, I'm saying that whatever the violence is happening in Kathmandu is just 1 kilometer away from the airport. And they are saying just vacate the airport, go wherever you want to go, just collect the luggage and go outside.
I'll tell you the irony of it. First of all, they say there are people outside burning effigies and everything.
Yeah.
And next thing you need to do, collect your baggage and leave. Which means basically go and jump into that fire now. So tell us, we have children here, we have women
No,
here.
but
So the airport staff,
Right.
and this is the situation. Again, viewers, look at this.
The Air India staff on top of
Vikas
that.
joining us here live from Tribhuvan International Airport. He's telling us that the situation is so dire at the airport. There are so many Indians and other tourists and travelers that are stranded at the airport, and they're being asked to go outside the airport where actually things are absolutely not safe on the streets of Kathmandu, let alone the vicinity of Tribhuvan International Airport. When we're talking about Vikas and all the people that are speaking to us, again telling you you're doing such a brave job, tell us, what kind of security do you see around you? If you're seeing effigies being burned and you can hear the sirens and the choppers.
I will, just give me a moment. I will try to show you if I could see that again, because there were situations being burned and we could see a lot of fire outside, outside the airport. But now I think those things have come down, so there's nothing more. But as far as the security is concerned, we are all stranded at the airport. You can see. So inside the airport.
Bring in more voices. Can we speak to more people?
Then why Air India?
Option of leaving the airport, I'm not agreeing. We are not agreeing to that option.
So citizen reportage coming through to us via Vikas. Vikas, can we bring in more voices? Can we speak to more people?
Then why Air India and Indigo has cancelled their flights? If other Nepal Airlines, Dubai Airlines, they are flying.